Johnson with SNC Green, a student, faculty, and staff organization here on campus that supports sustainability. Today we're in the Mulva Library and we're going to learn a little bit about what SNC is doing to become more sustainable. Come on with me. Great, so today I'm here with Rick Gerbers. He's the licensed electrician for St. Norbert College. And Rick, I heard that we're doing something with lighting in this library that's a little different and it saves on some energy. What am I hearing about the lighting?
What we have here, the roll lighting closest to the windows is run off a sensor.
So these lightings right here.
Okay. The can lights, they run off a sensor. And as it gets brighter outside, the sensor will automatically turn the lights off, which will save energy throughout the day.
Great. And about how much energy do we save?
There's probably enough energy saved to run a small house.
Oh wow, that's impressive. And then, do we do anything with our other lighting as well, like this lighting up here?
The overhead lights are T5 light bulbs, and we can control them by a computer.
Okay.
And have them turn on or off in whatever schedule we want to run them at.
That's awesome. And are we using any sort of specific light bulbs in the process too? Is that helpful?
Yes, the light bulbs are compact fluorescents for the can lights, and for the old lights over the bookcases are T5 light bulbs.
So does that mean they're just more efficient? And
they're more efficient.
Awesome. Are these the lights that kind of flicker before they turn on?
Nope, these lights turn right on.
Oh wow, so lights that save energy and that turn on right away. Can't complain about that. Awesome. Well, thanks so much, Rick. I appreciate it. And we're going to go see some more things that the library is doing right now as well. So let's head on upstairs.
Bye.
Okay, SNCers, we just finished with the lighting in the library, and now we're going to move on to some more ways the library is saving on energy consumption. And I have this amazing opportunity to get to go up on the roof because we have some solar panels up there. I will be interviewing with Pullen. He is the manager of mechanical systems and facilities here at the St. Norbert College campus, and he'll be walking us through. So let's head up. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, SNCers, I'm here with Lou, and he's going to walk us through these lovely solar panels that we have behind us. So Lou, what do these solar panels do in regards to the library?
Okay, these solar panels, Morgan, are used to heat the domestic hot water for this building.
Okay, so the sinks, things like that?
Right. We don't have showers in this building, obviously, because it's a library. But we do have a lot of domestic water needs, whether it be housekeeping or bathrooms.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So there's a lot of housekeeping hot water demand. And what this does is this is our primary source of heat for the hot water. This is set up so that first we look at this to make sure that we're making enough hot water from the sun.
Okay.
And then if we cannot make enough hot water from the sun, if it's been extremely dark, for several days, or we've had a lot of nice Wisconsin winter storms, that we may have to go to our backup system, which is still a very efficient system. It's run off of our steam supply, but this produces enough hot water to meet our demands on a typical day.
Great. And then in regards to the solar panels, how does it actually work? Do we have a tub up here where we keep hot water that we make, or how does the heating actually work?
Very, very good question. And what these do is these have tubes in them that they're made with material that will collect the energy from the sun, and it heats the liquid medium that's inside the tubes.
Okay.
That liquid medium is not the domestic water that comes out of the faucet.
Okay, it's a different type of liquid.
Right. It's got, for lack of better terms, it's got antifreeze in it, so it doesn't freeze up.
Okay, so in those winter months when the snow is just covering everything, it's not going to burst pipes or anything like that? Okay,
exactly.
Interesting.
They're too expensive to break. We don't want to break them.
No, we don't.
So what we do is we run this liquid medium through a pump and through a tank below the ceiling, and that keeps circulating, keeps collecting the energy from the sun, and then we pass in a vessel. We pass the domestic water, the cold water we get from the city, and we pass that by this medium that we've heated.
Okay.
And this medium actually transfers the heat to the domestic water, so we're making hot water.
Okay, so the two water sources, our drinkable water is in one pipe,
Right.
and then this water that has some antifreeze in it, and that gets heated by the solar panel, by
Right.
the solar energy, comes along next to it in a different pipe,
Right.
and the heat just transfers, because
Right.
heat always goes to cold. Cold
Correct.
never goes to heat.
Correct.
Okay, interesting. And you just mentioned that the solar panels are expensive. Are we really saving money and energy with these?
There's a lot of talk about solar panels, how expensive they are.
Uh-huh.
There's two types, if you will, of solar panels. There's PV, photovoltaic solar panels that create electrical energy.
Okay,
and then
energy.
there's water type solar panels that
And we have the water
we
panels
have the
right
water
here.
ones. These are much less expensive
Okay.
to produce. There's less costly materials. There's no precious metals involved.
Great.
So they're very inexpensive, relatively speaking, to the PV solar panels. So yes, we are. To answer your question, we are saving energy. We are saving money.
Great.
Because the cost payback on these is relatively short compared to PV panels.
Great.
So,
Well, thank you so much, Lou.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate
Nice
it.
talking to you.
Good talking to you.
Yep.
And so for all of you SNCers out there, I'm Morgan Johnson with SNC Green, and stay tuned for more sustainability videos. We have a bunch coming up.